Hi all, welcome to the first class. Before getting into the class, let me explain you about who we are and what are we going to do here. So our page is Skanda Padashala. We have been into an offline for almost 7 plus 8 years. We are tutoring our 12 students for their board exam. Now we are into an online where we are going to just help out the students freely to understand about the 12th subject. So being in the first session, I just want to give a basic details about starts with max. So we'll get into integrals first. So I'm going to teach you some basic problems today. So these are the basic formulas. So I'll explain you one by one, then we'll get into the exercise. So this is your first formula. So when we are getting into a formula, first I just want you to understand this symbol is known as integral symbol. So the first formula is integral x power n dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is this c stands for? This is the constant. So to make you to understand this formula, I'm just giving you a quick example. Now you have a question like integral x power 6 dx. So this 6 is nothing but n. So when we go into the formula x power n dx, so we have formula as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So now the answer for the question is x power 7 by 7 plus c. So this is the formula and this is the example for the first formula. And the second one, integral cos x. Integral cos x is equal to sin x plus c. So whenever you see a formula with cos x, you are supposed to write sin x plus c. And the next is integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. And the next formula is integral secant square x dx, which is equal to tan x plus c. And next is integral cos square x dx, which is equal to minus cot x plus c. And the next is integral secant x tan x, which is equal to secant x plus c. And the next formula is integral cosec x cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c. And the last formula is integral e power x dx, which is equal to e power x plus c. Before getting into the exercise, I just want you to understand that whenever we have a coefficient of x, something like cos 3x. Now we have a question like cos 3x. So this is nothing but the coefficient of x, which means x has the coefficient as 3. So we have to write like cos, we know the formula as cos x is equal to sin x. Obviously this answer is going to be sin 3x, but we have a different is that we have a coefficient for x. Whenever you have some coefficient for x in integral, you are supposed to write that coefficient in the denominator. So the answer for the question is sin 3x by 3 plus c. Hope you understand with the formulas. Now we go into the exercise.